Hi, I'm here in my kitchen with a water bottle and I want to chat to you all things water this week. So please remember to subscribe and to ring the bell to be notified of my weekly videos. So you might think that this is a little bit of an odd one that I'm here talking to you about water, but I've got various reasons and I hope that you find it interesting and it helps. So I bought this bottle and actually it was from Chloe Loves to Shop on Instagram. Talked about this bottle sometime last year and I remembered, and I think so many people don't drink enough water and we can get carried away and busy and just forget to drink. And so this is great because it's got the times and then it says good job, refill, and then down again. We should be drinking a minimum of 2 litres of water a day. For those of you who have been following me for a while will know that I love the Ultimate Shred, which is run by Lee Linton, and she is often banging on about water. She says that actually you should be drinking 3 litres, and actually her workouts are pretty intense. You do sweat a lot, so I think 3 litres is probably spot on. But you know, this bottle is brilliant because we're not using lots of plastic. It's refillable, it goes in the dishwasher, it comes with a great little cleaning gadget too. And I love it, and it's been really helpful for me to monitor how much water I'm drinking. But it also comes with one of these, which I have kept. It's fascinating, and I found this really helpful with the children as well, because I'm always trying to encourage them to drink more. It's so important for your body to be hydrated. It flushes toxins out, it cleans out your system. There's so many people that get confused with hunger and thirst, and actually a lot of people who are trying to lose weight, the most important thing, the first thing you should do is drink at least 2 litres and you will flush everything out, you will feel full, you won't want to eat as much, and that really is a secret, I think, to kickstarting weight loss. Anyway, back to this, and I'm not an expert on weight loss or anything, but yeah, I'm a big fan of water. So this is the healthy section and this is not, and I'm sure, I mean, I've noticed that my children sometimes are down here, which is not good, and so now I can show them this and say, come on guys, you need to be drinking more water. So anyway, this is a brilliant bottle. I'm a huge fan, and come on, join me and get drinking water.